It's Grandma Greatness here. And I said, let me share with you today. Because since I was born, and now I am how old I am, I have never seen anything like this before. And let me ask, let me beg, please. This is a disclaimer. Please, I pray this video you are about to see will not make you stop eating or stop eating meat or stop eating any of your favorite foods. I am begging. I just want to show you people, then I will take it off my phone. Oh, please, without wasting much time, let us just watch this thing. What is this? I have been trying to figure out what is this. I can't. Do you know what they are eating? Do you know what she's eating? I want to cry. Oh, that food must be delicious. It must be delicious. If it's not delicious, why will a human being be eating it with so much joy? It must be delicious. What do you think? It's the slime, Hey, would you like to try some of what you've just seen? Please write your response in the comments. I would like to hear from you. Whatever they are, would you like to try some? Thank you, my beautiful friends, my beautiful children. Thank you for watching. Write in the comments the most bizarre or the weirdest food you've ever eaten. Let us see. Let us chat. Thank you for watching, and it's Grandma Greatness here. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.